Hello, my name is Rick Pinto and I'm a General Manager here at Pentana Solutions. Today I'm going to talk to you about DocuSmart. Well, I guess DocuSmart's expanded from our customer base. Our customer base at the beginning wanted a need or wanted a solution that allowed them to streamline paper processes. And we saw that need very early in the piece. We understood it, and I guess that's where the DocuSmart process and the product created. It was all about from the beginning as to how do we move paper-based processes that have a single point of failure today into an electronic process where anyone and everyone can actually shift information without having to need to double handle documents. I guess through that, our expansion into the Australasian region allowed us to seriously look at how big this module or this product could be globally, and it allowed us to then not only go it through ourselves and understand it better, but actually go through an acquisition. The acquisition gave us reach into different parts of the world, such as Europe, such as the US, and South America and Africa. So we're now well versed in understanding not only within the automotive industry what their requirements are, but also in other affiliated industries such as distribution, the publishing space, the manufacturing space, etc. The automotive industry is a paper-based industry. It has been from the beginning and it continues to do so today. Through the customers, and we've seen through the customers that use our DocuSmart product, we've seen a decline in the amount of paper that is being used or extracted by the organisation. Our customers are now choosing to transform and deliver documents via email, via faxing, via alternative methods, not the traditional paper posting methods. We have also seen rooms where we used to be full of paper, full of storage cabinets and filing boxes, now starting to disappear because of the archiving systems that we put in place. Not only are they now relying on a single source of key to be able to find documents, but they can now find documents through name, surname, date of birth, license number, registration number, etc. So any piece of information that was once inaccessible to the user because everything was paper-based is now accessible because it's all electronic-based. The best example that I can give you is our DocuSmart output solution. For all the organisations that we've installed this solution, we could easily identify the reliance on paper when providing tax documents or fiscal documents to their customers. There was no distribution via email, and if a customer wanted to fax a fiscal document, they will need to print the document and then be able to send it in the fax machine. What we've done with DocuSmart with those customers is we've seen a reduction of documents from 100% being paper-based to 80 or 90% of them being electronic-based. How do we do that? Effectively, we do that because we're able to interrogate the data at its rawest need, search into a database to best determine the method of delivery for those documents, and then distribute them accordingly. So you only print what you need. So that means that if you can save 80 to 90% of paper, you're not only saving on printing costs or on mailing costs and envelopes, and also your traditional time savings, but you're also having a cleaner environment in the organisation. The latest innovation, and I guess it comes from, again, understanding a customer base, is our DocuSmart workflow. We know that one workflow or one piece of workflow doesn't meet every single organisation's needs, and usually current workflows, what I mean by that is a process in the business has a key man dependency, because if that person is not there, there is no method of escalating it as it is paper-based. So workflow for us is the key as the latest innovation in ensuring that we can tailor a module to your business. So if you have X, Y, Z process that you need to adhere to, we're no longer relying on paper or a key man to be able to adhere to those processes. We're using an electronic workflow to be able to trigger date, time activations, people on holidays, people not on holidays, who's the next senior above the person that you're approving, so that the process continues to go even when the key person isn't in the business.